How to add Snapchat filter to gallery photo. So the steps are all the same to follow on Android and iOS. Now go and open up your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat like this, now tap on this to upload your photo. So in this section now, go to this camera roll. So now go ahead now and search the photo you want to add. So for me, I'll just go ahead now and select a photo from my pictures on my mobile phone. So let's say now I'll just use, let's say, this photo. After you select the photo like this, all you have to do now, if you want to add the filter to the photo, tap on this, as you can see now, this arrow, this one. After you tap on the arrow, now it will give you list of information like this. Now you swipe your hand to do like this. So as you can see now it gives me all the, as you can see now, filters. So now go ahead now and select a filter that you want to add. So for me, let's say now I want to add a filter like this. Just go ahead and select the filter you want to add to the picture. So I added this filter. So now if you want to download the photo, now tap on this export button and tap on this download button. Now the photo is exporting. That's it guys on how to add Snapchat filter to gallery photo. Please like and subscribe.